I dust the shelves every week. I dust the shelves every week.
I vacuum the carpet on Saturdays. I vacuum the carpet on Saturdays.
I mop the kitchen floor after cooking. I mop the kitchen floor after cooking.
I clean the windows once a month. I clean the windows once a month.
I clean the bathroom every weekend. I clean the bathroom every weekend.
I do the laundry twice a week. I do the laundry twice a week.
I iron my clothes before work. I iron my clothes before work.
I organize my closet every weekend. Organize my closet.
I wipe the counters after every meal. I wipe the counters after every meal.
I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner.
I take out the trash every evening. I take out the trash every evening.
I clean the mirror so it doesn't fog up. I clean the mirror so it doesn't fog up.
I sweep the porch every morning. I sweep the porch every morning.
I clean the ceiling fan once a month. Once a month.
I clean the oven every few weeks. I clean the oven every few weeks.
I fold the towels while they're still warm. I fold the towels while they're still warm.
I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning.
I change the sheets once a week. I change the sheets once a week. I clean the light switches too. I clean the light switches too.
I polish the wooden table every week. I polish the wooden table every week.
I clean the windowsills too. I clean the windowsills too.
I sweep the balcony every morning. I sweep the balcony every morning.
I clean the rugs once a week. I clean the rugs once a week.
I organize the pantry once a month. I organize the pantry once a month.
I clean the fridge once a month. I clean the fridge once a month.
I clean the stove after I cook. I clean the stove after I cook.
I scrub the bathtub every weekend. I scrub the bathtub every weekend.
I clean the toilet twice a week. I clean the toilet twice a week.
I refill the soap dispenser when it's empty. I refill the soap dispenser when it's empty.
I dust the picture frames every week. I dust the picture frames every week.
I clean the air vents once a season. I clean the air vents once a season.
I sweep the stairs every few days. I sweep the stairs every few days.
I mop the stairs once a week. I mop the stairs once a week.
I wash the curtains once a season. I wash the curtains once a season.
I sweep the garage on weekends. I sweep the garage on weekends.
I wash the car every other week. I wash the car every other week.
I clean the yard in autumn. I clean the yard in autumn. In autumn.
I clean my garden tools after using them. I clean my garden tools after using them.
I trim the hedge every month. I trim the hedge every month.
I water my plants every morning. I water my plants every morning.
I trim the dead leaves off my plants. I trim the dead leaves off my plants.
I repot my plants once a year. I repot my plants once a year.
I wipe the dust off the leaves. I wipe the dust off the leaves.
I put my plant where they get sunlight. I put my plants where they get sunlight.
I fertilize my plants once a month. Fertilize my plants once a month.
I mist my plants to keep them fresh. I mist my plants to keep them fresh.
I remove the dead leaves right away.
I clean the pots when they get dirty. I clean the pots when they get dirty.
I arrange my plants on the shelf. I arrange my plants on the shelf.
I check the soil before I water it. Before I water it. I clean the pots when they get dirty. I clean the pots when they get dirty.
I prune my bonsai every few weeks. I prune my bonsai every few weeks.
I clean the windows near my plants too. I clean the windows near my plants too.
I dust the plant leaves every week. I dust the plant leaves every week.
I move my plants inside for winter. I move my plants inside for winter.
I vacuum under the furniture too. I vacuum under the furniture too.
I wipe down the appliances every day. I wipe down the appliances every day.
I sort my laundry by color. I sort my laundry by color.
I water my herb garden every morning. I water my herb garden every morning.
I grow new plants from cuttings. I grow new plants from cuttings.
I check my plants for pests sometimes. I check my plants for pests sometimes.
I rotate my plants so they grow evenly. I rotate my plants so they grow evenly.
I clean the plant leaves with a soft cloth. I clean the plant leaves with a soft cloth.
I pull the weeds from the garden. I pull the weeds from the garden.
I water the garden every evening. I water the garden every evening.
I love a clean home with healthy plants. I love a clean home with healthy plants.